Today, we're diving into the Uniden LRDACWM044 radar detector Cig adapter power cord. Now, if you're like me, you want to make sure your radar detector is always powered up and ready to go, especially during those long road trips or when you're cruising down the highway. This power cord is designed to work seamlessly with a range of Uniden radar detector models, including the DFAR8, DFAR9, R1, R3, and R7. One of the things that immediately caught my attention is the build quality of this adapter. It feels sturdy and well-made, which is essential for something that's going to be plugged into your vehicle's power outlet day in and day out. The cable length is generous enough to reach from your power outlet to your windshield or dashboard where your radar detector is mounted, without any awkward stretching or straining. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug one end of the cord into your vehicle's power outlet, and the other end into your radar detector, and you're good to go. I appreciate that Uniden has kept things simple here, allowing you to focus on the road ahead rather than fiddling with complicated installation procedures. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This power cord is designed to work with a wide range of Uniden radar detector models, which is fantastic if you happen to own multiple detectors or if you're planning to upgrade in the future. The compatibility list includes the DFAR8, DFAR9, R1, R3, and R7, ensuring that no matter which model you have or decide to get, this power cord has got you covered. One thing to note is that this power cord uses a USB Type-C connector, which is becoming increasingly common in modern electronics. This means that not only is it compatible with your Uniden radar detector, but it can also be used with other devices that use USB Type-C connectors, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. It's always nice when a product offers versatility beyond its intended use.in terms of performance. I've had no issues with this power cord. It delivers a consistent and reliable power supply to my radar detector, ensuring that it's always operational when I need it. Whether I'm driving through busy city streets or cruising along the open highway, I have peace of mind knowing that my radar detector is powered up and ready to alert me to any potential threats. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Uniden LRDACWM044 radar detector Cig adapter power cord. It's well built, easy to install, compatible with a range of Uniden radar detector models, and offers versatile USB Type-C connectivity. If you're in the market for a reliable power cord for your Uniden radar detector, look no further than this one. Highly recommended. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.